Imagine a car that doesn't just take you from one place to another but transports you into the future. This is the Chrysler Halcyon Concept. With its sleek, aerodynamic exterior, the Halcyon wears a futuristic identity. The front is defined by a full-width LED light bar and an illuminated Chrysler wing badge, giving it a bold, signature look. From the rear, the fastback roofline flows into wraparound LED taillights, with a glass canopy stretching across the top to create a floating, futuristic silhouette. Step inside, and you're greeted by a minimalist interior built for tomorrow. The dashboard melts into a panoramic AR display across the windshield, while a yoke-style steering wheel and floating center console radiate a tech-driven vibe. Ambient lighting runs throughout the cabin, giving both driver and passengers a lounge-like experience under the panoramic glass roof. Even the rear seats recline into a comfort-focused space, making it more than just a car. It's a rolling sanctuary. And under its sculpted body lies the vision of solid-state battery technology, promising ultra-fast charging and impressive electric range. With autonomous driving capabilities paired with the option for human control, the Chrysler Halcyon Concept reimagines the balance between comfort, performance, and futuristic design.